Okay, so looking at this first problem, okay, this is in point slope form. Remember that is going to be on your star chart. So we're going to have that y minus y1 equals rm, x minus x1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to find my slope. So let's choose 2 points. I'll choose this point here and this point here. Okay, and now I'm going to plug them into my slope equation. So I have my y2, which is negative 16, minus my y1, which we have as negative 1, over my x2, 10 minus my x1. And then when I plug this in, I know this becomes negative 15 over 5, which reduces to my slope is negative 3. Now looking at my answer choices, I already know I'm not going to choose C because this tells me that that's a positive slope, and I'm not going to choose A because that right there, that is my slope. Okay, so I am left with B and D. So looking at B and D, my slope is correct. Now I'm going to look at the points. So inside my parentheses here, this should be my x value. So I'm looking at my x value. Okay, it's negative. Here's positive 10. Remember, when we pull the point out, we are flipping the sign. So when I pull the point out of the equation, this should actually be a point of negative 10 and positive 16. So that doesn't look like that's going to be it. And next, when I pull this out, it's going to be a positive 5 and a negative 1. D is my answer.